Hi guys, my name's Tara. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another look with my Celestial Thunder palette. I am going over some oldies but goodies, something new, something I'm retrying. So if you'd like to see, continue watching. I had done a couple videos. One I'm posting today, one I'm just not going to post. I didn't like how it turned out. I'm over it, moving on. I think I explained that in this video if I don't cut it. Anyhow, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't know what else to say. I never know what to say during intros. I don't know. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye. Bye. I always say thank you, bye. Why do I say thank you, bye? Thank you, bye. No, thank you, watch. 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 Not thank you, bye. God, I'm an asshole. I am an asshole. Anyhow, keep watching. My sweater keeps falling off. Thank you. Continue watching. All right, got it, got it. Did I get it? I got it, but then I was looking over here, not here. Fuck it. All right, enjoy. So today I'm gonna be doing look number, I don't know, I think filmed look number 2 with my Celestial Thunder palette. I thought I'd just go ahead and get a video up since I'm getting ready to go to work. I might as well film it because I filmed one with this, which will probably be up today, and then I filmed another with my Shane Dawson palette, and both videos I don't really care for, to be honest. Just the energy was low. I mean, the makeup looks were okay. I don't know. So I'm gonna put one of those up, but I'm not gonna put up the Shane Dawson look I did using his palette. No need. Over it. And I kind of wanted to talk today about some new products I got. Some are new. Well, most of them are new and I've used before, but one is a repurchase, just my brow product. The other is giving a second chance. So yeah, so let's jump into it. So I think I'm gonna be using some of these. I finally got for my BoxyCharm my Moda Studio set brushes. I should have looked up what these retail for. I wanna say about 80 bucks. They're nice and soft. Like, I love this. I love this. It feels good on the face. One of these little guys, which I see people use as blushers, but I use for contouring if I do use them. This, I believe, let's look at the back. So, okay. So, powder, contour. I guess it is a contour brush. My bad. This one's for glow, so for a highlight. It's a good little brush. I could see myself using this to sweep extra powder from under my eyes and or brushing it across my lids. This is a shader, just a little shader. Brow brush. What is this one? Crease brush. That's a good little crease brush too. I think I might use this one today. A detail brush. Very skinny little guy. Good for like kind of getting under here. Yep, vegan. Moda Studio. Oh, so these are by the Royal and Langnickel. I didn't know that. That's cool. All right, I do like my whatever Royal and Langnickel brushes I do have. And I do love these sleek little kind of textured brushes. They're pretty light in the hand. I don't know if that matters to anyone. Moving on, we got, so I got just the travel size just because I wanted to give this a second chance. I like setting sprays because I like them to kind of melt my powder into the face. As far as them having like an actual longevity of my makeup, I have yet to see that. And I've used this before and I didn't see it, but today I took a note from Jackie Ina, so she puts it on her wet foundation. So I did that, and then also I sprayed it on my face, so I'm giving it another chance. Today's a good day for it because I work today. I love the packaging. I love the carton when they're like super soft. I love cartons like this. I got, I guess I could have brought it out. The primer I am using. All right, so the primer I'm using today is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I do like it. It's a repurchase. Love the packaging. I don't use too many Urban Decay eyeshadows, but I do like their primers. Some of the stuff I've tried. I just haven't used a whole lot. I don't know. That'll be for another video. And then, so I repurchased, so this is kind of what I wanted to talk to. NYX makes their eyebrow gel. And this is my favorite brow gel. It can last all day in the summer, extreme heats, like it doesn't smudge, it stays on your brow. However, so this is my old tube. There's still plenty in it. I mean, it's only $6, but so I'll usually use it, well, I guess for 3 or 4 months. I mean, that's not too terribly bad, but once it starts getting old, I find it difficult to get my brows on. I've been having shitty brow weeks, and then I was like, oh, duh, you probably just need to repurchase some of your brow gel, because I've been using this for a couple of years now, and so I did, and I mean, my brows aren't great, but they're way better than what they've been all week long. So that's usually a good indication that I need to repurchase a new one. So, a lot of repurchases, second chances, a lot, not a lot, but repurchases, second chances, trying things in a different way this time. Coffee. Or is it? Okay. So, I'm going to be using my Celestial palette again, which this is Celestial Thunder, which I'm kind of actually, you know what? I wanted to be able to get a palette, review a palette, and do a couple looks with the palette, just because I feel like so many people move on so quick, and then it's like, I don't know. You go out of your way, you purchase this, you're excited, everybody's talked it up, they use it once, then they're on to the next. It becomes, I'm just losing more and more of my clothes. So I don't know, and then it's like they moved on. I want to try to get the best use out of things, because there are just way too many launches. There's too many launches coming out. It's just back to back to back to back to back. What do I buy? I love a lot of them. I'm not getting all of them. So let's get started. I am going into Storm Dust right here. This is kind of what I've been doing before work, because I have been getting a lot of use out of this palette. I like the tones. I just sloppily chuck it into my crease and then buff it out. I'm a huge fan of like grunge, blown out shadows. Jamie Genevieve, oh, she's like the best at it. And so pretty, so fun to watch. I adore her. Yep, just building it up slowly. That way you don't end up overdoing it. Actually, I think I'm gonna even just pack it on the lid also. Today I just used my concealer for an eye base. There's a whole strip of makeup missing right there. Not quite sure how that happened, but definitely, hopefully I remember to fix it before I go to work. I work with a lot of people that give the like awesome unsolicited opinions that nobody asked for, so that's fun. And they're not usually good. I mean, not that they're rude, but whether it be like a coworker or a resident, they'll just be like, oh, well, you should have done this instead of this, or you should make your food this way instead of this way. Like, okay, but like I'm talking about my recipe, and I wasn't looking for tips on how to improve my recipe. I already like my recipe, so you can make your soup the way you want it, and I'll make my soup the way I want it. I love that color. There's like a pair of khaki pants that is this color and probably so old school, but I love it. It's obviously it's a little bit more orange, but mustard has like, I don't know. I don't know, but I like it. Oh, and on my lips, I just have no liner or anything. I just chucked on some of my Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. I really like her formula. And the smell, oh, it smells so good. And don't be timid. You know what? Pull that shadow right on down onto that eye bag. Hide whatever creasing and wrinkling you can possibly get. My contour lately has been patchy. Today, it looks great. I think it was because I was mixing Urban Decay, is it Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation in with my foundation that I really like, and I think it was just causing my products on top to look a little patchy, and maybe because it was mixed and not used on its own, I don't know, but I just stopped. We don't need that in our life. I have enough problems. I don't need to worry about a patchy contour, that's for sure. Bigger fish to fry when it comes to this mug. Right, so not going into any other shadows. I am just gonna pop some Eternal Light, that topper shade I was talking about, on top of my lid and call it a day. Probably pop a little in my inner corner. I didn't use not one Moda brush. Ugh. Honestly, like, how do I live my life? All right, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm using a Moda brush, damn it. Oh, there's two lids on there for whatever reason. I think I like this lid better. Maybe it's just an option. Oh yeah. Took the lid off for a reason. Holy shit, something just went flying. I'm gonna spray this with my all-nighter. I'll tell you what, I normally wouldn't use that setting spray because it's not cheap to just wet my brush. Pop that sucker in my mouth or under the sink. Somebody's getting a furniture delivered and it's from Terra Firma. I'm so sick of people referencing me. They'll be like, what's your name? Terra. Oh, like Terra Firma? I'm like, whatever that is, I guess. Kind of just like Terra because it's my name. I don't think I was named after a mattress company, but okay. So pretty. Whenever I do that, it's just all you see is the big head. You don't even see it better. Flick up some of that. These brushes feel good, if I do say so myself. All right, so I'm not even gonna line anything. All right, I'm just gonna curl these lashes and then put on my mascara. Unfortunately, I don't like using metal lash curlers. They tend to break my eyelashes, but it's all I have because I can't find my other plastic eyelash curler. But my eyelashes get stuck to them. They end up more broken. I don't know. I don't like them. I've yet to use a brand that's metal that doesn't do it. So I don't recommend a metal eyelash curler. Okay. And I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte Big Ego mascara. I like this one. In fact, I think I'm gonna get another one. I don't wear lashes on my day-to-day going to work. Just no need for me to. I just don't do it. But what I do is try to build up my mascara. Sorry if you can hear my dryer in the background. The girl's got to continue doing laundry. If you ever get mascara on your skin, just let it dry completely and flick it off with a spoolie. Works like a charm. I get mascara on my face every day, every time I wear it. I suck at putting on mascara. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Just quick, easy, pretty much one shadow and then the topper. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's all about some oldies but goodies and some retries and whatnot. Please like, subscribe if you want to. Thank you for watching.